इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे टेंजेंट टू अ हाइपरबोला. ओके, लेट्स वी हैव एन इक्वेशन ऑफ अ पैराबोला x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, and let we have an equation y is equal to mx plus c, which is the equation of tangent to the parabola. Let's substitute this equation in the equation of hyperbola. This will become x square by a square minus y square by b square. Okay, let's a minute. We will substitute mx plus c instead of y. Mx plus c whole square b square is equal to 1. Now simplifying this, we can get x square by a square minus m square x square plus c square plus 2mxc divided by b square is equal to 1. Multiplying by a square and b square on both sides, we will get b square x square minus a square m square x square plus a square c square a square c square plus 2a square mxc is equal to a square b square. After taking common from this, we will get x square. Okay, now we have committed a little mistake here, that it will become minus. Okay, x square common will be taken from b square, and now minus a square m square. Similarly, if we take 2a square mxc, this is the term having c, this is the term having this is the coefficient of x, minus a square into c square if we plus b square is equal to 0. This is, you can observe that this will become a quadratic equation in x. This is x square, this is the coefficient of x square, this is these are constant. Now we know that for if we solve this quadratic equation, we will get two values of x, x1 and x2, and after substituting these values in the equation of tangent line, we will get two values of y1 and y2. Okay, dependent upon these values may be real, coincident, and imaginary. How we will observe that these values are real or imaginary? For this purpose, we will find out the discriminant of this quadratic equation, which is b square minus 4ac, which is equal to b square means 4, here b is 2a square mc, so a4 m square c square minus or plus 4 b square minus a square m square into a square into c square plus b square. This will be the discriminant of the quadratic equation. If this will be greater than 0, then the roots are real and different from each others. If the roots of this quadratic equation is equal to 0, then the roots are real and coincident. And coincident means the roots are lying on the same point. This is the point which tells us that the given point line is the tangent to the hyperbola. And the third condition, that if it is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Now, in this example, we have to find out the point of intersection of the given line to a hyperbola 4x square minus y square is equal to 4. For this purpose, we will substitute equation in this. Okay, this equation become x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. This will become minus y is equal to 1 minus x, or y is equal to minus 1 plus x, or y is equal to x minus 1. Now putting this value in equation, 4x square minus x minus 1 square is equal to 4. 4x square minus x minus whole square means a minus b whole square. This will become a square plus b square minus 2 times x is equal to 4, and this will become 4x square minus x square minus 1 plus 2x is equal to 4. 4x square minus x square, 3x square plus 2x minus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. 3x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. This will become quadratic equation in x. Okay, now let's differentiate this quadratic equation, and how can we differentiate this equation? Okay, 3x square, 3 5s are 15, plus 5x minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, this will become by taking x common, 3 plus 5, minus again taking x is 1 common, the remaining will be 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. This will become 3x plus 5 equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 5 by 3. So here we have two values of x and 5. For these two values of x, we have separate values of y. Y is equal to x minus 1. For x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 minus 1, 0. So the first point of intersection is 1, 0. The second point of intersection for x is equal to minus 5 by 3, y is equal to minus 5 by 3, minus 1 is equal to 3, minus 5 minus 3, this will become minus 8 by 3. So the second point of intersection is minus 5 by 3, minus 8 by 3. These are 2 points where the tangent line intersect the hyperbola, and the solution set is 1, 0, minus 5 by 3, minus 8 by 3. Thank you.